So for question 2, piecewise, they say find the value of a, b such that this function continuous. So definitely you want to make them continuous now. At the interval negative infinity to infinity means that they are continuous no matter from the left to the right. So our interval here less than 1. Function x, 1 until 4, ax plus b, and then more than 4, 2x, negative 2x. They said they're continuous on interval negative infinity to infinity. So means they're continuous at all the time. So they're continuous at x equals to 1, they're continuous at x equals to 4, because here we have 2 points that will have change function. This function change to another function, this function change to another function. So when you say negative infinity to infinity means they're continuous everywhere. So here continuous x equals to 4 also continuous. So find out what is our value a and b. So we can use our condition 2. We make sure the limit is exists. Okay, so for the point x equals to 1, for this part first, we make sure it continuous. So when we want to make sure it is continuous, we do limit for x approaches 1 from the left hand side, function is x. Definitely want to equal because they say already continuous, so we have to equal them. Limit x approaches 1 from the right hand side. So right hand side is ax plus b. Okay, so substitute 1. Substitute 1, we got a plus b. We get a simultaneous equation, a plus b equals to 1. So I write it equation 1. So how about in second information we can do is from x equals to 4. When we see if we have interval changing our function, so means at this point, they have to become continuous. So I have to make them limit when x approaches 4 from the left hand side, which is ax plus b, must be equals to the limit when x approaches 4 from the right hand side. Okay, so we try to attempt our limit. We substitute 4 inside, 4a plus b. So here we substitute our 4, negative 8. So this is our equation 2. So just nice. We can solve our simultaneous equation here. You can see b, we can eliminate. We use 2 minus 1. So 4a minus a, we get a, 3a. And then b minus b, we get 0. Negative 8 minus 1, we become negative 9. So we get a, negative 3. Then we substitute a equals to negative 3 into either one equation. This equation more easier, I pick number 1. So b will be plus 3, so we are equals to 4. So this is how we find a and b. Okay, so our concept is this. Our concept limit left hand side, limit right hand side. So build out the equation. Then we solve the equation here to get both answer A and B.